Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA Control Panel display setting is missing. All right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta find your search bar and type down services. Click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, gotta find NVIDIA display container. Okay, so scroll down and find N. Here we have it. Right click on it, click on properties. Now make sure that this one is set to automatic, right? Again, automatic. And then once that's set to automatic, hit on apply, wait a bit, now click on start, okay? And after that, click on okay, close this one. And then after that, go ahead and check your NVIDIA Control Panel. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your start menu, right click on it and click on device manager. And then in here, gotta find your graphics card. Okay, go ahead over to display adapters, right click on your graphics card, disable it. Okay, disable it for now. And then once that's disabled, right click on it and enable it again. All right, and after that, go ahead and check it out. Now, if that still won't work, well, you'll need to reinstall the NVIDIA driver. Okay, so to do that, right click on your start menu and click on installed apps. Find NVIDIA, just like so. Now, if you can see NVIDIA Control Panel right here, click on it, uninstall, do the same thing to all NVIDIA related software or service, okay? And then once that's done, close this one, find your search bar, type down updates, click on check for updates. Now in here, check for it, install all available updates from here, and most importantly, go ahead over to advanced options. Now click on optional updates and make sure that you install all available updates here as well. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just find NVIDIA drivers. Okay, hit on enter. Now click on the ones from NVIDIA right here that says download the official NVIDIA drivers. Now maximize this one. Go ahead and go to the top. Click on best for gamers or creators. Now click on download now, and just like how you've installed it, okay, follow simple prompts, and once done, restart your computer, and after that, find the NVIDIA Control Panel, and it should work now. All right, and that is how you fix NVIDIA Control Panel display settings if it's missing or not showing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.